everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into OpenAI. In order to log into OpenAI, open up a web browser and open up a search bar and then type in the URL www.openai.com/blog/ChatGPT. And once you are done, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you should end up in the main page of OpenAI. Here you'll find a Try ChatGPT button. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to the login portal of ChatGPT. Here you'll find an option to log in or to sign up. If you don't have an account, then click on the sign up button, and if you already have an account, then click on the login button. Once you click the login button, you will enter the login portal of ChatGPT. Here, all you have to do is add in your email address, and once you are done, click on the continue button. Now add in your password you used while making your account, and once you are done, click on the continue button. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button in order to recover your credentials. Click on the continue button and that's it. You have successfully logged in into your account in ChatGPT. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected and goodbye till then.